Here's an example of a board that has bug holes in it, but if you look at them, notice how brown they are. So those pretty much are, to me, they're an indication that this is an old bug hole, maybe even in before the tree was cut, although it is in a strange area. But it doesn't show any activity. There's no reason to think that they're active or still in there. You can see how dark they are. So in this case, I'm probably going to use this one, but it's a chance. I did have one case when I was building the gym where I had used a couple, I think they were similar to this, and one ended up having some activity a little while later, so we sprayed it with bug spray, and that seemed to be the end of it. So I don't know if there was one in there dormant or what happened, but that one did seem to have something in it. But it was an area I could see. So that's another thing too. If it's some hidden place, it's chancier. Whereas this, I'm going to be able to see where this is. So if any activity shows up, I'm going to know it. Okay, that's so the color of the holes, I think, does have an effect on whether you want to take a chance on it or not. And if you dare use it, it is adding more design to your project.